What are you talking about? Willie. Willie is an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire, Bedford. A real talker. Oh my goodness, Willie. Hi. Right now, you can't get enough of this, can you? Willie's very affectionate, and it's very hard to get a video of him because he just wants to roll up against me, rub up and say, I love you, honey Chris. Yeah. Could we see your face for a moment, Willie? Well, I guess people are gonna, there we go. Just a quick look. People are gonna have to look at your still photos in order to see you. So Willie right now is at PetSmart in Nashua, over near Target off Amherst Street. Oh, do you like that, Willie? I can see Willie would like to have a scratching post or one of these cardboard things. Nobody's in there, Willie. You got such a cute face. We'd love to see you. What's that you say? Yeah, you're a real talker. Yeah. You're a sweetie. But impossible to photograph. You're going to be the most difficult cat to photograph that I've ever done. Bye, Willie. He's very affectionate. What a love. Yes, they're so soft. Oh my goodness, are you a fabulous cat. Willie will just chase you until you stop. Bye, Willie.